from time immemorial, humans are struggling how to mitigate the risk. Everyone is worried about the risk. They are concerned about how to mitigate the risk. And generally we say money is money is the sure protection against the risk. But as we age, everyone realizes money is not the sure protection for us. Sure protection in that quest, people start asking whether this body is protecting the soul or soul is protecting the body. Whether we are so concerned about our mitigating the risk. Now they are asking the question whether body is protecting the soul or soul is protecting the body. In this quest, the Patanjali says you had to discover the answer, you had to do the self-inquiry. Self-inquiry starts from outside investigation and start going within. Outside investigation, go within. Start with, you had to talk to the experts. If I'm in a mortgage area, talk to the expert, business, talk to the business people, talk to the expert and discuss about what is the best way. What is their opinion? Opinion about mitigating the risk. It is called as vitarka. That part is a discussion. Outside discussion is called as vitarka. I am discussing with the people, experts, to discuss. Vitarka, when I discuss with people, whoever is the expert gives an opinion, I should not take that one blindly. Now, after gathering the information from the experts, I have to start analyzing, introspect. I should introspect within. That introspection is called as vichara. It is called as vichara. The vitarka is outside and analyzing oneself, it is called as vichara. When I do the vichara, self-analysis, I should come to the conclusion, independent of whatever others says, I should be able to come to my own judgment. My own judgment, it is when I come to the conclusion, that part is called as ananda. What we get, that one, I found an answer. All these days, I was asking others, now I found an answer. That part is called as ananda. I got a joy. Yeah, I got the answer. I'm happy. That is called as ananda. The fourth one, when the ananda is there, I should be able to apply it to my own situation. The experts who have given answer, it is for the generic and according to their experience. Now, when I have experienced the ananda, I should be able to apply it in my day-to-day life. Custom-made solution, it is called as asmita. Patanjali talks about this one, vitarka vichara ananda asmita anurupat samprajnata. Samprajnata samadhi. How to self-inquiry from outside. You have so much of information with the social media, so much of information. You have to filter out from vitarka, from vichara, from ananda. You have to apply that one to your personal life. That is called as asmita. That is leading to, the Patanjali talks about samprajnata samadhi. There are two things. One is asamprajnata samadhi. Next time we will talk about the samprajnata, means consciously you are coming to that conclusion. Asamprajnata means without effortlessly you are going. Samprajnata, consciously. It is called a self-inquiry meditation. It's quite popular. Self-inquiry meditation. Patanjali talks about self-inquiry. Coming to samprajnata samadhi. This vitarka is also called as karma yoga. Vitarka is also called as karma yoga. You have to exert. You have to go to places. You have to sit with them, discuss. That is called as karma yoga. Vichara, I want to withdraw, start analyzing myself. That is jnana yoga. Ananda means I get the bliss. Joy, it is called as bhakti yoga. Asmita, customizing to my own life. Everyone's life is different. My situation, my answer may not be completely suitable for you. You have to tailor-make the answer to suit your life. That is called as Raja Yoga. Karma Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Karma Yoga, Jnana Yoga, Bhakti Yoga and Raja Yoga. Here in our Upanishad and the Bhagavad Gita also, they never say you blindly accept whatever teacher says. It should be able to discuss. You discuss, question. Questioning is allowed in Bhagavad Gita, nothing but the question and answer. Arjuna never shied away. My Krishna may be upset if I ask. In Upanishad, question and answer, it is a question and answer series. End of the Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna talks about Vimrishena Asheshena Yatechasi Tata Kuru. He talks about analyze properly. Whatever vitarka you have done, analyze properly and not to take it blindly. Analyze and Vimrishena Asheshena. Thoroughly analyze. Vimrishena Asheshena means thoroughly. Not superficially, just because I told you not to. If you just blindly follow that one. Yesterday Manish was talking about Ramayana, Bhakti. You need not have to vichara. It is not the message. And I will correct him if Bhakti Yoga, it is not. Ramayana is not blindly without a shastra vidimisrajya. That is what Arjuna asks. Analyze. The Vimrishena Asheshena. After analyzing, do what is right. It's this type of freedom is given only in Sanatana Dharma. In other religion, you are not allowed to question. They say if you ask the question, you will go to hell. Vimrishena Asheshena. Have a courage to. In the Arjuna says, Nasto moha smritir labdva. Nasto moha. After analyzing thoroughly, asmita, I got the asmita. Nasto moha smritir labdva. Tvat prasadat mayachyuta. Mayachyuta, because of your guidance, you gave me a stamina, strength to self-analyze. Nasto moha smritir labdva. Tvat prasadat mayachyuta. Karo is tava sandesha karishye vachanam tava. I will. You gave the vichara, I discussed with you, I did the vichara, I got the answer. And ananda, I will apply. And karishye vachanam tava. Whatever you said, I will follow your instruction. Your guidance, you help me to come to the conclusion. So, our Shastra, Patanjali talks about yoga is not a blind belief. Not just a teacher said not to believe that one. You have courage to experience it firsthand. However great is the scripture, however great is the teacher, not to blindly believe unless that one you experience it personally, that is of no use. It says, Patanjali says, however great is the scripture, try to experience it. Have a courage. For that one, sadhana is required. Commitment. I have to experience. Everyone says meditation is good, meditation is good. I think meditation is not good. Not think. You have to experience. And I talked about in the class also, if somebody says, is yoga is good? If you say, I believe yoga is good. If you say, I believe yoga is good, that is not a convincing answer. You should be able to experience and say. Belief will not lead to anywhere. Patanjali talks about it's vitarka, vichara, ananda, asmita, rupa anugamat, samprajnata. Rupa anugamat. Rupa means apply that one in your personal life, personal situation. How can I apply? I chant, I learnt all 18 chapters of Bhagavad Gita by heart. What is the application? I don't know. If I chant Ramayana, I will get punya. That is what generations have been telling. Not to go after just I will get a punya. How can you apply it to your life? After all, this is your life. Not to just say, I will chant Bhagavad Gita, I will get punya. Not to go after that punya or whatever. You have to experience. Unless you experience, there is no punya for you. Once you experience, that is the punya of reading the scriptures. We'll continue on the next term on this topic. Lie down on your back.